What's up, everybody? Playing some Cold War. Currently grinding the shotguns out. I already know what type of lobby this is gonna be. This guy's gonna, like, get it. I missed that shotgun blast. That wasn't a long shot. I feel like I shot that. Oh, he was laying on the floor. Okay. Yeah, but just grinding out. Dude, like, you light. Yeah. I seen some stuff about the new Modern Warfare 3, and honestly, I even hit the guy over there. I got fucking fun. I see some stuff about the new Modern Warfare 3. I mean, it's looking pretty good. They got. Wait, how did he know? They got zombies. I mean, it's looking pretty good. They got zombies. I mean, if it's anything like Modern Warfare 2, I mean, the graphic is gonna be. We already know the graphic is gonna be crazy. I'm just leaving. There's no point of being in that lobby. Graphics gonna be crazy. Graphics gonna be crazy. Slide cancel is coming back. It's gonna be a really great game. I mean, better than Modern Warfare 2023. Cause just be honest, Cold War is better than Modern Warfare 2023. Anyone that says it isn't, you're crazy. You're delusional and you're addicted to the pain. So right now I only need like, what is that? That's like only need 6 more long shots till I'm actually done. Then I need Bloodthirsties, and then we're winning. I need Bloodthirsties, and then I need detected kills, but I was using the jammer, field jammer, but it doesn't count for the challenges, so I couldn't use it. Like, I don't know how I missed that. He just laid there. Dude, you are a freak. I was using the jammer, but it didn't count for the challenges. So, dude, are they all running shotguns? Alright, bro. Like, you're like, bro. It didn't count for the challenges using the jammer, so I got like five jammer kills, and it didn't even count. So I have to use I gotta use the field mic. I mean, I could use I could just run stuns, but it's like I don't want to do that. I don't really like running stun grenades. It's kind of boring to me. Dude, stop coming up here. Well, that's one bloodthirsty at least. I'm trying to check my bag. But I mean, these guys are just gonna keep running up here, right? Maybe. What if I just kind of like sit right here? Can I? Think they'll see me? No way he's shooting my body. I killed bro one time and he just magged up to me. Like, what did I do? Yummy Mountain Dew's his name. I mean, this guy's like crouch walking. I don't think I'm getting the field. Oh, the field mic is still there. I kept, every time I would switch my loadout, and what is that guy doing? I missed? Come on, he was point blank game. You gotta give me that kill. That's actually ridiculous. Oh, the field mic's still here. I need a long shot, dude. Oh, he's in the corner. Yeah, I mean, he wasn't standing up. There was no way I was gonna be able to shoot his head. That's a long shot. Oh my god, there's a guy in the window. You freak. I kind of want him to spawn back here, cause like if you stand like right here, you just get a bunch of long shots. That's what I need them to do. I need us to spawn flip. How did my teammate kill him? Oh, someone broke my foot. It's not a deal. You destroyed my foot mic again. No way. Dude, this Yummy Mountain Dew guy does not like me. Like, he shot my body because I killed him like twice. Like, bro, just don't run up there. Killed or be killed shooting my body. What did I do to these guys? Like, I'm actually curious. Like, you guys are also using shotguns. You can't be mad. Like, and realistically, I don't even like using shotguns. I was about to pump my teammate in the forehead. I shot that guy. Come on. That's actual BS. Wow. I'm actually... I shot him. Come on, game. Give me my kill. Yeah, I'm about to end the video already. This is not even about to be a 15-minute video. Dude. Stand right here. You're terrible. That's a long shot. What's he shooting at? 2 bloodthirsties. Oh. I mean, these guys had 30 kills and they're shooting my body. Like, let's be for real right now, guys. Accidental TK. Love it. Yeah. I don't know if I want to end the video now. I just kind of want to grind. I just want to, get a video out there. Because, I said I was going to post, Monday, Wednesday, or Monday, Monday, Thursday, Friday and stuff. So, just wanted to get this video out. I didn't want to, take up too much time talking about just random useless stuff. So, let's see. I need 2 more bloodthirsties. 3 more long shots. And a couple more detective kills. So I could probably get this done tonight and get gold. I'll either probably do the Gallo tonight if I feel like it. Well, what is it? I do have diamond for my ARs, and then also have which gun do I have it on? I also have diamond SMGs. So yeah, probably gonna end the video here. Just to finish grinding this out and stuff. So I'll talk to you guys, I'll talk to you guys on Thursday. See ya.